You're impossibly strong. You gotta give me some answers.
I'd rather hear your theories.
I have considered radioactive spiders and kryptonite.
What if I'm not the hero? What if I'm the bad guy?
You know what you are?
Say it out loud.
Vampire.
Are you afraid? My family, we're different from others of our kind. You brought a snack.
What, now he's coming after me?
The hunt is his obsession. He's never gonna stop.
I'd rather die than to stay away from you.
I'll do whatever it takes to make you safe again. You are my life now.